Hey there, guys. Welcome back to another Chainsaw Man episode. I am here with Karin.
Hi.
This is episode 11. We stay with a cliffhanger with Aki. He was trying to get...
He was doing the swag walk.
Yeah, the swag walk. But he was trying to get to the
He's
future...
going to do another contract with the Future Devil?
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah.
We'll see. I forgot the name. I think it's Future. Or the...
Are we going to see
Predict.
your swag walk again? The Predict.
The Predict. We didn't see who it was. We just saw an eyeball.
If he survives. Yeah.
Future Devil.
2 people. Oof. Oof.
Well, that demon sounds very powerful, so I don't get how he's trapped there, if you can see the future.
Yeah.
I don't know. I guess we'll see. It look creepy. Yep.
Hey.
I'm telling you. It's that guy!
What's that? Now we know who he is!
It's the dancer. So I'm assuming he's a troll. Just because of the how they portray him in the opening. Yep.
Oh my gosh.
He's like, you're boring.
Yeah. You only got 2 years left. Oh, what I see will help me decide. Ew! His face! He's like,
I'll be
yes.
scared of getting my head chopped off, bro.
Ew. He's fuzzy.
He stopped.
Very... Oh no.
What?
Wow. Oy.
Oh, he was willing to tell him how he was gonna die. I would have taken it just to kind of like know so I can avoid it.
I think once you know, it's kind of hard to
so?
live with. Yeah.
Oh, that's right. I forgot this guy's rough.
Yeah.
He ain't no Kakashi Sensei.
You're getting better. Let's go back to once a week. We don't need to die every day. You gotta make sure your brain's good.
His face. I'm not amused with what you
No
said.
comments.
He's like, you do know that dude is the same for you.
Let's look at that. Oh, he's saying it like I'm getting sick of seeing them because I'm getting attached to
That's
them.
not good. I mean, for him.
Yeah. Ooh.
Oh. Yeah, she's already shady, dude.
Ooh. Ooh.
Damn. Okay, there's a tension there.
But only in that case. if you're on mankind's side. He knows something about her.
Yeah, sure gave me a bad vibe, not more with this guy. She's reading a script, bro.
Mm-hmm. Oh.
Straight up. She
She's
smirked,
smiled.
bruh. She's evil.
Damn. He's not afraid. He's like,
Nah.
he'll call you out on your shit. Like, mm-mm.
That's why when he called it out, I was like, yeah,
Mm.
that means it's real. Katana dude's scared. Oh, Snake Chick. There you go. They're gonna try to capture them.
Oh. Mm. Bit.
Bitten.
Zombies?
I thought they got rid of that guy.
A little parting gift.
The zombie
Army of
dudes.
zombies made up of deadbeats who couldn't pay their debts. Wow.
Oh, so he stole
That's
all
their
the
trump
left
card.
zombies.
Mm.
I wonder if you're gonna see like a glimpse of the Gun Devil. I imagine he has a gun head.
Yeah, I don't know why you have against him. You're just messing with him.
He's calling him out, bro.
Yeah, I don't know. He's so annoying. It's like, shut up.
He trash talks too much.
Yeah, he's a trash talker. He is. Yeah, good.
He's ready to die on his hill.
Yeah.
Well, that's determination. Or it could be stubbornness. I don't know.
Oh. I guess from public safety. Oh. Uh-oh.
So she's doing shady.
Yeah. Uh-oh.
Dude, mistake.
Mm-mm. Uh-oh. Oh no. I knew I was gonna say eyeballs, but oh my gosh, I didn't think she literally meant eyeballs. Oh no, I wouldn't.
Boom. She's.
Oh no.
It's about control.
Mm-hmm.
She has some sort of visual power.
Yeah.
Just blow him up.
Ah, I've heard her voice before. Sounds familiar. It's
I
like
can't.
Sideburns, man.
She's like, I don't wanna. Just straight up.
The entire special division goes in. So it's more than you guys, right?
I think it's just them.
It's just
And the
them.
rest
Oh, it's
are
just
like,
their team.
And then everybody's just back up from the outside in case things go south.
Non-humans. Worst casualties.
Because of the whole crazy battle.
Unique characteristics.
They're about to go in.
So our team is worse than the. Oh, okay.
What the hell?
Oh, now we see the other characters that are in the movie theater. Look, it's Suigetsu. Samehara.
Yeah. That's weird. Jeez.
It's like, oh, yummy zombie. It's Kisame.
Got cake.
What? Violence?
Fiend. Oh, he said a Street Fighter, boy. Just violent. Poison.
He's so dangerous he has to wear a mask?
Yeah.
The Grudge?
Yeah. Oh.
Spider?
Well, that's terrifying.
They're still devils.
Yeah, it's like a Beyblade, bro.
There goes your zombies.
Now we see the angel.
This is the angel.
Yeah.
Yep. Oh. The angel devil. Special case. Your lifespan gets drained away. So that's why he was guarding a special divisions full of freaks.
I get a feeling he's gonna become really emo.
Yeah, I figured he would. Oh, shorten
now
it
you
worse
tell
than
me.
it was. Material breaks the contact.
Nice. So I got some beef.
Oh yeah, because
Mm-hmm. The death of.
did he cry? He did cry. He did cry. That's right.
Yeah,
he
he
did.
was like,
He like
stunned,
secretly cried.
yeah.
He was stunned.
and then he was bleeding. Couldn't do nothing. So obviously he wants payback. Unless he falls into that weird trap again, the loop stuff.
That was them? No,
That was not
that
them?
was not them. That was
The
that
guy-
was the one that Denji killed. The
Oh yeah, that weird monster blob thing.
yeah, the one that was
the-
scared of Denji, but was scared of being like pain. Yeah,
Oof.
heck, they're all over the place.
You're gonna be able to block all that?
Is that Makima?
That's what it seems like. Yes, because she was already having a beef with
Yeah, she's like, give me all their names. Yeah,
So in
she's
order
doing
for her
work
to
in the
kill,
background, in the behind the scenes.
she needs names. That's what it looks like.
Yep.
So
She
she's
names
like
and
a
she uses sacrifice. She's like Death Note.
she's like a Death Note slash I don't know what. It's a combination. It's a weird power.
She's a light Yagami.
Mm-hmm.
Well, she doesn't need a book. Well, kind of. She needs it written.
I think as long as
guess.
she knows the name.
The names, yeah.
That's it. But she likes to write it down so she's not gonna forget. Like, let me write them down, just kill them all by list.
Because there was several people she had to kill, so.
Yeah.
Ew. Oh, because she loses her fingernails
Yeah.
every time
Huge. What?
It's nasty looking.
Isn't that Jimenos? Shit, heavy
She
though.
did take him. She did take his. That's right. That's why he got surprised.
Jimenos,
Yeah. It was. I
contract.
got confused,
Yeah,
but
past tense.
yeah.
Shotting gun.
Basically, Sasuke with shotgun gun.
He literally got shotting gun, bro. I'm sorry for comparing, but
We have to. But that's all.
that's cool, but it needs more backup than that. Wow. Hit him in the stomach.
Denji, where are you?
I know. He's gonna try to eat you. And the other devil doesn't care. Shoot. There's probably another hidden ability. Or is he gonna pass out?
I hate it when they do that.
This one's worse because they actually left us in a big cliffhanger. He was like, who's gonna save him? Awakening?
I know he's not dead yet.
No, yeah.
He
can't
has,
die.
apparently, according to the future devil, he's gonna go on a big bang.
Yeah.
His death will be meaningful.
And
We know that.
And that's why the future devil was like, I wanna be there.
Yeah, I guess it's that big. He's like, oh, I like your death.
Yeah.
Now, as I was wondering too. She dancing.
Yeah. She's going like, Death no Makima. Literally.
Oh.
Hey. That's why we don't get previous. Damn it. That was good. That was good. Man, I'm excited
Yeah.
for all this. Like,
Okay. Is this the next one going to be the season finale?
yes, a lot of them are gonna be a season finale this coming week.
Okay, well, hold on. This is
This is
still,
11.
This is still Chainsaw's first season, right?
Yeah,
Oh gosh.
yeah.
Wow. It just feels like it's
It's
been
like,
a while.
like this.
Yeah.
Disappeared.
Oh my god. Then we have to wait what till spring, till summer?
I think on Feb of next year, there's gonna be some animes that are coming back. I don't know which ones, but we've been watching them, so that's pretty good. But there's gonna be a gap, I think, unless there's something on January, but I don't remember. But yeah, Spy Family, Bleach, all of them are coming to an end this
Spy
this
Family
month.
only had a short break, and they came back.
Yeah, and I was reading. Apparently, technically, it's not season 2; it's part 2 of season 1. So they split season 1 into 2.
Oh.
So technically, it was never like season 2. I guess that's what I read. I don't know. I'm probably
Okay.
wrong. So like what we saw, part 1 is season 1, and part 2 is season 1. They just split it.
Mm.
So. Well, that's it pretty much. Again, stay tuned for more upcoming videos. We're a little bit behind. It's been a lot going on. We're prepping for the crazy weather here in Texas. So, yep. If you haven't subscribed, please do that. It helps out the channel. If you want to leave a comment, that's fine too. Just don't put any spoilers because, like I said, we don't rate
No
the mangas.
spoilers.
So, And that's a wrap. Thank you for everything. Until next time, Sanyu.
And Cuddy.
Signing off. Bye.